Eu acho que o Bruno hoje está a aproveitar este solinho. Tivemos uns dias de chuva e ele hoje está a aproveitar. Como nós também adoramos o sol. Ok, agora sim. Looking down. And there he goes. One of the most silent flights in the animal kingdom. Dos voos mais silenciosos no reino animal. Okay, I have to warn the people at the first row, sometimes he goes to the bathroom before he flies to the other side. So be really careful sitting under that tail. Do you speak English? Yes? Português? Okay, sometimes he goes to the bathroom, he goes to the toilet. So be very careful if you see his tail lifting up. Okay, there he goes. Careful. That's it. Yeah, very good reaction. Very sorry. Everybody poops, you know. Ok. Já que estão a ver o Bubu bem de perto, será que alguém tem palpites sobre o